I just made a video explaining why NASA uses the Space Launch System for Artemis instead of the Saturn V. There's a common idea that the Saturn V is just outdated, but that's not how rocket engineering works. Rockets aren't just replaced because they're old, they're redesigned when the constraints change. Russia's Soyuz rocket has been flying since the 1960s, and the engines it uses were designed in the 1950s, yet it still carries astronauts to the ISS today. NASA has even revisited the Saturn V class rocket designs because it was a proven system that successfully sent astronauts to the moon. And that same idea of using proven systems shows up in modern rocket design. The SLS uses RS-25 engines, originally developed for the space shuttle, and they're still some of the most efficient engines ever flown. Some of the most advanced rocket engines in use today were designed decades ago. They weren't just chosen for performance, but because they were already proven and available. So the reason we don't use the Saturn V isn't because it's old, it's because the constraints changed. Modern rockets are designed around cost, infrastructure, safety, and mission requirements. The Saturn V was designed for a single goal, delivering the maximum payload to the moon during Apollo. The SLS is designed around today's constraints, using existing systems. So it's not about old versus new, it's about solving a different engineering problem. If you enjoy learning about space from an engineering perspective, follow Masar Aerospace.